Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. We have to find the solution to this expression. So 3 by 4 whole to the power 2 divided by 1 by 4 whole to the power 2 and all of it is raised to the power minus 1. So we will use exponent laws to simplify this. So we have, let's see, 3 to the power 2 by 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. And this is entirely raised to the power minus 1. This is because of the exponent rule, which says a to the power a divided by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m b to the power m. And this here I have simply written division in terms of multiplication, so we have to write the reciprocal. So 3 to the power 2 to the divided by 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 1 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 to the power minus 2. Now since they are minus 2, we can simply write it as 4 to the power, okay, let me write it here, minus 1. This is 3 to the power 2, 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 2, 1 to the power 2. So since they are negative exponents, we have to write the reciprocals of the numbers. Since a to the power minus m equal to 1 upon a to the power m, and all of this is raised to the power minus 1. So let's see, 4 to the power 2 and 4 to the power 2 cancel out and we are left with 3 to the power 2 whole to the power minus 1, which is equal to 3 to the power minus 2. This is due to the law which says a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. And we have answer as 1 by 9 because of this law, a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. So this will be 1 by 3 to the power 2 and 1 by 3 to the power 2 is 1 by 9. So this is the answer.